you helped me to kind of find that inner energy to be able to have confidence to work on my dad from a distance, since he was in the hospital at the time and I couldn't see him. So you helped me find that confidence to actually tap in and use my energy to send from a distance to work on him. So like thinking cranial sacral and doing that from a distance. So that was really cool that I was able to, just have the confidence to do that and try to work on him from a distance. And I think that's one of the main things, is that you're able to help people find their ability and their power to take control and help them heal themselves. Or,
right. That's what it's about, right?
Yeah. So, and that's the one thing that you did. You really helped with my dad. It's like you were on the phone with him and you taught him to go inside and ask for the help and tap into his energy and visualization to help him heal himself. And that is, that's a gift to be able to help teach somebody how to do that. And he was so grateful for that. And, I think it really helped him turn the corner to get out of the hospital. He's doing great. He's down in Florida. He's, living life again and getting stronger every day. So it's, it's great that you have that ability to help people find that. And you've helped me have the confidence to continue to do the work that I do. So, it is really about shifting your mindset and everything. One of the other things is, just I've noticed too that you've helped me kind of switch into that more positive mode where I'm not stressed about clients coming to find me and everything. I have had abundance of clients coming in now. And, it's like, and a lot of that is learning that mindset and making that decision to be able to do that. And that's what you helped me do. So I'm grateful.
Well, first of all, I'm going to try not to cry.
Okay.
So thank you. For nearly 2 decades, probably longer than that, but I was beholden to a doctor, right? I had to keep on going back. We are so powerful. And I don't mean me and you. I mean, we as humans. But you and I are pretty powerful too. Right?
We are human, I think. Maybe.
We are so powerful as humans. We are walking antennas, right? Mm-hmm. And so we have the ability to generate whatever it is that we want. So if you want to suffer, you can generate that. But if you want to have vitality, you can have that too. And I saw in you and still see in you this, you are a lifelong learner and you are always teaching me as well. Like, oh, look at this. And you're always researching what's the next best thing? What can we do? And that's what makes you, for me, so inspiring. And I know that you called me for help with your dad.
Yep.
My dad called and I did help, but I just knew this wasn't my charge anymore. I knew my gift to you was not healing your dad. My gift to you is teaching you how to do it yourself and have your dad to do it yourself. Mm-hmm. We are not supposed to be tethered to one person or another person to heal ourselves. We have it within our own body, within our own spiritual body, I would say, to heal ourselves. And the more I learn, the more I know. I'm like, yeah, spot on, right? Spot on, sister. And you took it and you ran.
Yep.
And you started doing cranial sacral therapy on him. Like crap. And then you did it for me yesterday, by the way, which my neck is much better. So, yeah, empowering people to find the best versions of themselves is really what I'm about. And don't get me wrong. I think I can see someone like maybe 4 times or so, and we can get to where we need to go. It doesn't mean you can't come back when, you have something else. Right. But we shouldn't be stretching out the energy healing thing for like a year, you can get this. So if you're listening and you are watching this, first of all, there's a reason that you're watching this. Okay. There are no coincidences in life. And number 2, if you want to learn how to do this for yourself, I'd be happy to be your mentor and teacher. And if you would like to have cranial sacral therapy done, whether it be energetically or not, you should see Laura, and I'll make that easy for all of us. So to see me, Jodi at SusonEssentials.com, and my phone number 847-738-0242. And Laura is at Laura Lorman at Laura at thebodytech.com, and that's body tech is TEK.com. And so she's an amazing soul. So I would do this all day with you. So anything else that I've missed that you want to add on to that
I just want to, no, it's you're very talented at what you do. And I just, I recommend people giving it a try.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And yeah, and I'll teach you fast. I've got tools for you, and they're all written out and ready to go. So get your reference tools. So, all right. And so again, reach out to see Laura at thebodytech.com or Jodi at SusonEssentials.com. And you can just dial me direct at 847-738-0242.